she wants some cheese.
Genie, you're so good.
I know it. I'm good dog.
You're so good.
She was so scared of the
The
red line over there.
Yeah, the red line.
Or whatever it's called. She was so scared of it.
And then when Blue just threw her over it, she's like, oh, okay.
Maybe she thought it was electrical or
Oh,
something.
you're scary. Oh, you're scary, scary.
And now she just jumps over it like it's nothing. It's just like, oh! Look at it, look at it.
Junie.
Ale,
Gonna probably go outside and walk. I know.
follow. Follow, come here.
You're so sweet. Letting Blue just
Sit.
smother you, smuggle you.
Jake,
Snuggle ya.
dog. I'm good. Jake.
And there's Paolo. There's Paolo. Hey, buddy. Hey.
Look, Junie's like,
Hey,
you
Paolo.
wanna play? You wanna play?
You sweet puppy.
Let's go get sharked again by the electricity tree that shocked Blue and me.